Hi guys, welcome to my KnowledgeSharing100 channel, and today I bring for you a function that is called AND function and if function. The AND function and if function I will show you also combined. First I will show you AND function, then later on I will add the if function. The AND function will show you the false or true. The if function I will combine will show you also no or yes. In the company, if you are working, definitely you are getting target to meet in the sales. So while selling, you need to meet the target. Let's say maybe 50,000, 100,000 or 200,000. It depends on the company how much target the company has given to you, and that target you must meet. And if you meet that target, you will get a promotion. To get promotion, today I am going to show you quickly without wasting your time. I will show you here. And before that, I would like to request you to subscribe my KnowledgeSharing100 channel, so that whenever I upload the videos, that will come to you and you can learn from that. It is fun also to study. Without wasting your time, let's start. Hello guys, you are now in my computer screen, and I am going to show you here today the and the if function and the combined function also. I will show you here and if. I have prepared here one data for the salespersons. This we have 4 salesperson here. You can see the name over here, and this function will work for the promotion. True or false, who will get promotion? The promotion company will give the person who meet his target. All the company, they have target, so this target they should meet. So here are 4 salesmen who met their targets and who didn't. You will see here, and who will get promotion as well. So quickly here I am going to show you AND function. I type here AND. So logical 1 said that logical 1 is the month 1, that 12 month they must meet the target every month. If you miss or this person miss 1 month or didn't reach their target, means he will not get promotion for that year. Equal AND function, bracket open, and the logical 1 greater or equal, more than or equal. Then I will go to this area whereby 50,000 is there. I click here, comma, again second month I click, then greater or equal, then again 50,000. So same function I will repeat it until the month finish, year finish. Then I will again click month 3, then greater or equal, then 50,000 again, the same process, comma, fourth month greater than or equal, again 50,000, comma, fifth month greater than or equal, then 50,000 again, comma, then again sixth month greater than equal 50,000, comma, sixth month greater than equal. I just click 50,000. I don't type because it's easy for me. You can type same, seventh month greater than equal, then 50,000, then comma, eighth month equal, greater than, then equal, then 50,000, comma, ninth month greater than equal, then 50,000. I am repeating, just follow me here. Then 10th month greater than equal 50,000, comma, 11 month, the 11th month also you will repeat the same, comma, the last 12 month the same, greater than or equal, need to meet, then 50,000, bracket close, enter. So when you see here is false. Why it is false? The false means is this person not met. Same I drag from the corner as I have been explaining in other videos. Then here true, this one person true, his name is Kumar, other are all false, other didn't meet, only one person met, he met. So who will get promotion? Only Kumar will get promotion, other will not get. Again I will combine with the if function quickly. You will see here up the function area. I will type here if, then bracket open for and, then at last the end of this formula you can see here I will make comma, I'll put one comma, then I'll go through, yes, I click here, then F4 I will lock it, then comma, then no, again I will lock it, then bracket close, enter. So if we will say the AND function is saying true or false, which is true and which is false. So true only Kumar, the other were false. But now the if function is saying who will get promotion and who will not get promotion. Promotion yes or no selected here. So Kumar will get promotion. That is why it says yes, the other will no, other will not get promotion. So this is how we can use and if function in Excel. Every company having target. You guys, if you are working in the company, definitely you are also getting the target to meet, and you have to meet that target to get a promotion. Guys, you have seen the and if function. It's very easy to use, and I hope you enjoy to study the Excel and Excel formula. As I mentioned earlier, if you are working in the company, definitely you are using the computer, and nowadays people, they have been using also the mobile and iPads for the Excel sheet and office work. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you for following me. Whoever subscribes my channel, thanks for them. And if not yet subscribes, please subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching.